Growing ginger in containers at home is a great way to enjoy this versatile spice and herb. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to grow ginger in containers. Here I will share how to grow ginger by using waste garden leaves. Ginger is actually a rhizome, not a root. A rhizome is an underground stem. Ginger is one of the world's more well-known and useful plants and is used for centuries as a spice for flavoring food and as a medicinal plant. Purchase fresh and plump ginger rhizomes from a garden center or grocery store. Look for rhizomes with tight skin and several eye buds or nodules. Potting mix. Take 30% Cocopeat plus 30% fine sand plus 40% neem cake. First, we sow it in a small seedlings pot. It will increase our chance of success and also save ginger from rotting. Spread rhizome all over the pot as shown in the video and cover properly with the prepared soil mix. Unfortunately, I lost the clipping, sowing of ginger rhizome. Ginger thrives in warm and humid environments. Place the container in a spot that receives indirect sunlight or partial shade. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Collect fallen leaves in a compost bin or pile and allow the leaves to decompose. Choose a container that is at least 12 inches deep and wide to provide enough space for ginger roots to grow. Here I used 50% of my garden soil and 50% homemade leaf compost. This is a slow-releasing fertilizer and it will keep my plant as well as soil more healthy. Ginger prefers loose and well-draining soil. Create a potting mix by combining equal parts of compost, garden soil, and cocoa peat or sand. This mixture provides good drainage while retaining enough moisture. Fill the container with the prepared potting mix, leaving about 2 inches of space from the top. Place the ginger rhizomes with the eye buds facing up and bury them about 1 to 2 inches deep in the soil. You can plant multiple rhizomes in the same container, spacing them a few inches apart. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water the ginger regularly, ensuring the soil remains damp. Mist the leaves with water occasionally to increase humidity around the plant. Place the ginger container in a location that receives partial sunlight or filtered sunlight. Ginger prefers temperatures between 21 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Apply a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer once a month during the growing season. Keep an eye out for weeds and remove them regularly. Ginger can also benefit from mulching around the plant to conserve moisture and suppress weed growth. Ginger takes around 8 to 10 months to mature. You can start harvesting once the leaves turn yellow and the plant begins to die back. After harvesting, you can replant a portion of the rhizomes for continuous growth. Store the remaining ginger by washing, drying, and storing it in a cool, dry place. Remember, ginger plants are sensitive to frost, so if you live in a cold climate, it's best to grow ginger indoors or during the warmer months.